Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Brother HL-L2350DW wireless printer configuration, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Brother HL-L2350DW wireless printer. Remove all protective materials from the printer. Place the printer on a flat, stable surface near your Wi-Fi router. Plug in the printer and turn it on using the power button. Next, open the front cover and install the toner cartridge. Follow the instructions in the manual to insert the toner correctly. Then, load paper into the tray according to the paper size you will be using. Close the front cover once the paper is loaded. Now, ensure your computer or mobile device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want the printer to join. Proceed to the control panel of the printer. Press the wireless button to activate the wireless setup mode. Use the arrow keys to navigate to Wi-Fi Direct and select it. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Once the printer connects to the network, it will confirm the connection on the display. Now, on your computer, download and install the Brother printer drivers from the official Brother website. Choose the correct model and operating system to find the appropriate drivers. Follow the installation prompts to complete the driver setup. Upon successful installation, go to Devices and Printers in your computer settings. Click on Add a Printer and your Brother HL-L2350DW should appear in the list. Select it and complete any additional setup steps, if required. Print a test page to ensure everything is working correctly. Congratulations, your Brother HL-L2350DW is now set up for wireless printing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.